Good day everyone, this is Training Room and today we're going to be doing an overview of OneGrid, going through the customer zone, which is this here. It's www.onegrid.co.za and they are a startup hosting company with all your digital solutions that will get your business online. So you've obviously seen that you go through the customer zone, you just type in www.onegrid.com and you can get to the clients area and you can log in. Alright, so we have logged into OneGrid and you can go through to where I'm currently on now as my dashboard, which can show us a variety of things, what's happening on our page. They've got the customer code which is on here. Bear in mind that that would be able to change. It's set on a default at the moment. Your payment reference number, etc, etc. Order new services, register new domains, log out, your basic information, and then you have a credit facility as well where you can pay in, and then there will be obviously an amount that you can utilize towards paying for your domains or hosting, etc. Your contact details or other alternative contacts, overdue invoices, everything is basically on your dashboard right here. Then you've got your invoices, your domains, how many domains you have, and the services that you render. You can open a ticket. They've got a support ticket group on their page. They've also got a WhatsApp group that you can WhatsApp through as well. You can inquire about your billing, hosting, domain, etc, VPS and dedicated servers. This is a local company in South Africa based in Cape Town. However, I've been using them for the last, I think, 8 or 9 to 10 years. I haven't had any problems. They're normally quite fast. Their support is excellent. They can do remote logins as well and help you remotely. You can load it on your phone and you can operate your business through your phone through their mobile app as well. Just excuse the kids in the background, guys. I'm doing this everything from home, so just bear with me. If they're screaming, then don't worry, the children are fine. So let's just go through to support. Your support tab here is, well, you can log a ticket or the knowledge base where you can ask questions, and then I think the AI would answer them for you going on what you are searching. Your email assistant setup and your network status. You've got your billing, which is your debit detail statement, invoice, mass payments, managed credit, add funds, etc. Domains, you can do everything, which is you can have a look for your new domains or renew domains, register a new domain, or domain search. So I could go through to anyone here or register a new domain or do a domain search, which is where I'm going to go through to now. Alright, so here we've got a domain search. You would notice that I've got a few domains that I've already registered on this. So if I want to have a look at content creator.com, and it probably will be taken already, but you can have a look to see what has been taken, what hasn't been taken. And I'll give you alternative that has been taken, which I thought it would be, and then there's an alternative which you can get for $25 a month on your hosting package. But nevertheless, that's just an example. Then you've got your services. My services is what I mainly use when I log in. Terribly sorry, my son's picking up my hat and my glasses. We've got plenty of services here. I've got my domains mostly through here, and then I've got my hosting as well. My hosting is a Linux hosting medium where I'm paying 109 Rand a month. It used to be 99 Rand a month, but I've had this for quite some time, so there's interest every year. It's not very much, so don't worry about that. So my main domain hosting package is my Linux hosting medium, which is DTS management. I'll show you exactly how much space you've got on that as well. And your account information, which is your edit your account details, contact sub accounts, change passwords, security settings, email history, etc, etc as well. So let's have a look at my Linux hosting. Alright, on this Linux hosting, it's more or less like a little C panel that they have already on your dashboard or through their OneGrid site. So you can log in through your dashboard, you can go through to your emails, you can add on domains and all that kind of basics. Also log into your C panel and your PHP My Admin, file manager, etc as well. So everything is sort of there, but I prefer to go through to my login C panel. Alright, so on the medium Linux hosting package, you'll notice that I've got 5 gig space. I've used about 60.96, so I'm going to upgrade it at some point pretty soon because I've got 1 or 2 large sites. I've got a e-commerce site on on this hosting package. I've got 2 more e-commerce sites here, and 3 basic sites as well. But a lot of them are pictures. One of them is a letting or a garden route holiday accommodation place. I can go up to 100 add-on domains with this package. I'm paying 109 Rand a month. File users, bandwidth 1.1 gig, subdomains, I've got 8 alias, emails, etc., and so on and so forth. So you get quite a large amount, 5 gigs, which is nowadays is not large, but it's enough for me to run at least 8 add-on domains so far. Without having to worry about adding on more. So when it comes to charging your clients, you can charge them a minimum of like 30 or 35 or 40 Rand or 50 bucks a month for their hosting package, and you can just add it onto your personal hosting package, where obviously you can take that information through the file, and if you need to transfer it into another hosting package or whatever, you could always do that via file transfer. Alright, so next we've got your email panels, which is basically where you can set up your emails. You can set up your client email as well. You've got your files, which you can go and log into all your files of your websites or website. You can go your file directory restoration. There's obviously backups and everything like that as well that you can do through here, which I do regularly, which is a good idea to always do. I've lost 1 or 2 sites before. You can check your SSL status, your two-factor authentication, which is good nowadays. It's actually something that's relatively needed actually, to stop you from getting hit by hackers or whatever. And references. Softaculous, where this is my installer. This is now where I actually install WordPress onto the hosting package, which I will currently go into now quickly and show you from there. Alright, as you'll see, we're coming through the Softaculous side. If you want to go back to your control panel, you can utilize this. WordPress Manager, script demos, so that you know it's just basically tutorial. Ratings, all installations, task lists, edit settings, etc. I don't really worry too much about this. I mainly use the cPanel to go back into the cPanel if I want to, and I don't really utilize most of this either. So if you wanted to set up a new domain, you could go to install now, and I'll do another training video on that, but this is just to overview this site specifically. And then these are all the various domains that I've added on to this hosting package, or my Linux Medium hosting package. These are all of them here. So that is pretty much the gist of the OneGrid setup or OneGrid overview of how you can go easily get into your website and designing of your website and loading a domain onto a hosting package. Alright, so I wanted to take you down to affiliate program. This is where you can make obviously a bit of sideline money through the affiliate program or referring a friend program, etc. They also have careers which you can go through. So I'm going to click on the affiliate program. Alright, the affiliate program become a OneGrid affiliate. Earn extra cash by joining our affiliate program. Take advantage of what our program has to offer. If you have a large customer base, refer them to us and earn up to 15% commissions. That's on a recurring basis. Alright, show you more. You can read through all of this, but basically in essence what it does is you can take a link from the page here where I have over there, a referral link, and you can refer a friend, or you can refer someone to log in with their own details and everything, and you'll get 15% per month on that every month. Utilizing this. So basically what it would do is you would go and ask for a payout, and they would then obviously transfer it into either on your dashboard into your client or customer zone, or they would pay it off into your bank account, or you can transfer it into your bank account. They also have some of the marketing that you can use, banners, etc., that you could utilize to help you market. They are trusted on Hello Peter, hugely trusted, Google, Trustpilot, and they've got quite awesome reviews on Facebook as well. And they're featured on a number of different local South African companies and radio presenting stations, and they've got assistants right here that can help me to get through everything as well. Then you've got a refer a friend program. Enjoy the OneGrid customer experience, share your positive experience as part of the OneGrid community, and spread the word with your circle of friends. Alright, so this also has a benefit. Share your unique promotion code with all your friends. They'll receive 50 Rand towards the purchase, and you'll receive 50 Rand in account credit after their first purchase is complete, which is quite a nice thing. I mean, they are trying to look after you, and also they do understand that you also would like to make money. So you can basically sell packages via the OneGrid. Alright, the other thing as well is that if you go through to web hosting, you'll see that there's reseller Linux hosting packages, reseller Windows hosting packages. You can also go through to company registrations, and in essence, the entire OneGrid platform online will enable you to start a fully fledged side hustle or business, digital business, freelancing business, designing websites or graphics and selling packages where you get a return or a recurring return of 15%. So yeah, once you go through to the affiliate program that they offer, it is quite an awesome company. As I say, I have been with them for 8 to 10 years, and I highly recommend them. I hope that you've gotten most of what you need out of this, and it also helps you understand who OneGrid are. And if you have any questions, please make sure that you put some in the comments below, or contact me through my website or through my email address, and let's get rocking and rolling and help you become a OneGrid team player and member using their customer zone and their wonderful online business solution.